Hello everyone. We all hope that you are having a very nice day. Certainly we do have a nice day because the puppies are growing well, and it's a big day for us because from starting today we started to feed them a regular processed food, and as you can see, eyes open already and they can walk already. You see? Yeah. We will start feeding them one by one because they don't know how to eat yet from the dish. So actually I did attempt to feed them once in the morning, but it was a failure because they all jumped at once and it was a big mess. But as you can see, they can eat just fine now. Yes. Okay, we'll do one more dish right here. Okay, here they are still sleeping because I have actually fed them with milk, so they wouldn't jump on the food and make it messy. So they are not very hungry. They are just, the idea is now for them to learn how to eat from the dish. Yes. Okay. They're looking for a bottle, but there is no bottle. You have to eat from here. Here you are. Well, of course, it takes a long time because there is 11 of them, and I will make sure to make a video of all 11 of them soon. But right now we don't have the time, so we're feeding only 3 of them, and I will continue posting the videos as we go. Okay. This one here is a girl. Okay. This one is a boy. Okay, and this here, it's also a boy. Yes. Okay. As you can see, the girl is actually pretty live. Oh. Okay. She wants to be on YouTube. Okay. Yes. This is actually the second time for them to try to eat processed food, something not out of the bottle, so they are still don't know, they're learning how to do that. It's a big step for them, big step for me too, because it means that I will, as soon as they learn how to do it, I will not have to spend so much time feeding them every 3 or 4 hours. Yeah. And Salsa is gonna have a break as well. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will post. Oh, look at this, she's all dirty now. Okay, I will clean it up as soon as we finish. Okay, I will post more videos soon with the rest of the puppies. Okay, hope you have a nice day. We certainly do. And see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.